good afternoon kids, how are you? I am back here for next lecture. So today I am going to teach you what comes just after. In our previous lecture I had taught you that what comes before, and today I am here to teach you about what comes after. So write heading with me. You have to write in your notebook, write CW, date, heading, and then start writing with me, okay? Okay, now write your heading. What? W H A T. What? Now you have to give one column gap here, then write here comes C O M E S. What comes just J U S T, just after. Okay, that means जो नंबर बिल्कुल बाद में आता है, उसके जस्ट बाद में आता है, उसको हम हेडिंग क्या लिख रहे हैं? व्हाट कम्स जस्ट आफ्टर. दैट मीन्स उसके नंबर के जस्ट बाद में कौन सा नंबर आएगा. ओके, नाउ सी आई एम गोइंग टू राइट हियर 1 2 12. राइट विथ मी 1 2 12. Okay, and here you have to make like this underline. Okay, properly you have to make here underline. Now when I taught you about before number, what I told you that till 9 we will not change the front number. Okay, till 9 we will not change the front number. Here also we have to do the same thing. What we have to do? If here it is written 1 2 12. Okay, so first number will be as usual like this. Here we have to write here one same number. Okay, then what comes after 2? What comes after 2? 3. So we will write here 3. So now see here, after 1 2 12, what we have to write? 1 3 13. मैंने आपको जब हमने बिफोर नंबर पढ़े थे तब मैंने आपको बताया था कि जब हम 1 से 9 तक के कोई भी नंबर लिखते हैं, हम पहला नंबर चेंज नहीं करेंगे, दूसरा नंबर उसका चेंज होता है, और जैसे 0 आ जाता है तब नंबर्स चेंज हो जाते हैं. उसी तरीके से जब हम आफ्टर नंबर कर रहे हैं तब भी हम फर्स्ट नंबर चेंज नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन जो बाद वाला नंबर है वो चेंज हो जाएगा. देखिए 1 2 12, 1 3 13. So like that you have to count and you have to write, and you all know numbers also, that what comes after 2, what comes after 3, what comes after 4. So accordingly you can say the numbers also counting, and you can write here after number. So just after which number comes? 1 3 13. Okay, now after that give one line gap here. Okay, now write here 1 6 16. Write with me 1 6 16. Now again underline the both columns. Okay, so you have to make like this underline, or you want to make the column, you can make the column also like this. Okay, now what comes after 1 6 16? Now again the same pattern we will use. 1, here we will not change this number, 1 as it is, it will come here. What comes after 6 in your counting? What do you write after 6? After 6 we write 7. So here we will write 7. Now see here, after 1 6 16, which number we have written? 1 7 17. So after 16, what we have to write? 1 7 17. Now write this. Okay, now once again you have to give one column gap here. Now write here. See, now what I told you, when we write 0, at that time we have to change the number. Now write here 2 0 20. Okay, now here again column you can make, or you wants to make the underline, you can make the underline also. Okay, now what I told you, that after 0 you have to change the number. In before number we have to change. If 30 is there, we will write 29. In that also both numbers will change. But here in after number we will not change first number, but we have to change the second number. So 2 as it is we have to write here 2. And what comes after 0? What comes after 0? 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. So what comes after 0? 1. What comes after 0? 1. जब हम 0 होते हैं मतलब हमारे हाथ में, अभी मेरे हाथ में कुछ भी नहीं है, आई हैव that manner also you can write the after number. So let's start counting. 21, 22, 23, 24. So we had written here 24. Now what comes after 24? 2, 5, 25. What will comes here? 2, 5, 25. So let's start here writing 2, 5, 25. So after 24 which number comes? 2, 5, 25. After 24 which number comes? 2, 4, 2, 5, 25. Okay, now once again give one column gap here. Now write here 2, 9, 29. Now in after numbers, keep it in your mind that we have to change the both numbers if here 9 will come. At that time, before numbers, we have to change the both numbers. That means after 29, which number will come? Let's count. Okay, 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25, 2, 6, 26, 2, 7, 27, 2, 8, 28, 2, 9, 29. And what comes after 29? 3, 0, 30. That means उसका मतलब ये है कि जब हम कोई भी लाइन में बिफोर नंबर में 19 हो, 29 हो, 39 हो, 49 हो, 59 हो, कोई भी नंबर आएगा तो हमें ये दोनों नंबर को चेंज करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि 29 के बाद अब न्यू सीरीज कौन सी चालू हो जाएगी? 3 वाली लाइन. So let's start right here. 3, 0, 30. So what comes after 29? 3, 0, 30. Okay, so like this you have to do. What comes just after? What comes just after? Okay, what comes just after? So 29 के बाद में क्या आता है? 3, 0, 30. Okay, now I have no space here, but you have space in your notebook after this. So what you have to do? You have to write after this. Okay, if you have no space in your notebook, you can give 2 column gap. Okay, like the same I am giving here on my board, because I have no space here. So I am giving here 2 column gap. Now I am going to write from here. Like this type you can also write if you have no space downside. Okay. Okay, now here what I am going to write here? 3, 3, 33. What I am going to write here? 3, 3, 33. Okay, now after 33, which number will come after 33? Now tell me which number will come after 33. So now here once again we will not change first number. We will not change first number. So the same way we will write here 3, and second number again 3 is there. So what comes after 3 in your counting? 1, 2, 3, and what comes after 3? 4. So here we will write 4. So after 33, what do you have to write? 3, 4, 34. After 33, what you will write? 3, 4, 34. Okay, now see here. Give one column gap here. Now you write 3, 6, 36. 3, 6, 36. Okay. Now after that, what we will write after 36? Which number will come after 36? Now tell me. Now it's your turn. Which number will come after 36? Which number? Now let's start counting. When you also do in your notebook, you can start doing counting so that you can able to know that what comes after which number. Okay, now let's start counting. Now this is 36. That means we have to start counting from 31. Okay, now let's start. 3, 1, 31. 3, 2, 32. 3, 3, 33. 34, 3 5 35, 3 6 36. Okay. Now what comes after 36? What you write in your counting? When you write counting in your notebook, what you will write after 36? 3 7 37. So let's start here. Writing after 36. 3 7 37. Now after that, after one gap, now once again you have to start writing. Okay, we have written this much. First you write this much, then we will write next number. Okay, you have to count and write properly. Don't just copy from the board. Okay, don't just copy from the board. You should count by yourself and you can write, so that you are able to write numbers and you are able to know which number comes just after. Don't only copy from the board. Okay. Now after this, write here. See here. Now what I am going to write here? 4 0 40. Always write 0 in oval shape. है ना? Plenty of times I explained you that don't write 0 in circle shape. Always write 0 in oval shape. So after 4 0 40, which number will come? 4. Same number like this. After 0, 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing, मतलब अभी कुछ भी नहीं है. और उसके बाद भी अगर हमारे हाथ में कोई एक चीज आती है, 0 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? 1. 0 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? 1. तो हम 0 के बाद में यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? 1. So after 4 0 40, you have to write here 41. Okay. Now once again give one column gap here. Now write here 4 4 44. 4 4 44. Don't say 44. It is not 44. It is 44. Okay. So here also now once again we will make here column properly. Okay. Now in this column what we will write? 4 4 44. That means now from which line we have to start counting? If it is 44, that means we have to start counting from 4 1 41. So let's start counting. 4 1 41, 4 2 42, 4 3 43, 4 4 44. So see here, 4 4 44 is written here. So now we have to see which number comes just after 44. मतलब just after मतलब बिल्कुल 44 के बाद में आप क्या लिखते हैं? So just after 44, 4 5 45. Now what will write here? 4 as it is 4 first number. Now what comes after 4? 5. So we will write here 5. 44 45. So like this you write in your notebook also. Okay. Now here after one gap, 4 7 47. 4 7 47. So now what will come after 4 7 47? See now again you start counting from 41. 4 1 41, 4 2 42, 4 3 43, 4 4 44, 4 5 45, 4 6 46, 4 7 47. Now what do you write after 47? 4 8 48. So write here 4 8 48. So like that you have to do. Now complete this in your notebook first. Okay. Now this same homework you have to do, but I am going to change the digits. Okay. Now you do first write this. Okay, now in your homework page, you have to write here HW. Same heading you have to write. Then after that, I am going to change the digits here, and then from that digits you have to write what comes just after. Okay, heading will be same. Write HW, date, and then write homework properly. Okay, I am going to change the digits here. Okay, now you have written the heading and you have written HW in your notebook. You have written the heading also, same heading you have to write in your HW. Now I am going to change the numbers here, so accordingly that numbers you have to write the numbers that come just after. So here only number 4. Okay, here one column you have to make. What comes just after 4? Okay. Here I am going to write number 7. What comes just after 7 you have to write here. Okay. Here I am going to write 1, 0, 10. Now make here column in 2 blocks. And then you have to write what comes after just after 1, 0, 10. Now here after that I am going to write here 1, 3, so 1, 3, 13. Here also one column you have to make in 2 blocks, and you have to write what comes just after 1, 3, 13. And here after one column you are going to write here 1, 9, 19. Then you have to make columns in 2 blocks, and you have to write what comes just after 1, 9, 19. Okay. Now I have no space here, so what I am going to do, I am giving 2 lines gap here, then I am writing from here. You can also do the same way. If you have no space in your notebook, you can give 2 column gap, and then you can start writing the numbers. Okay. Now here 2, 3, 23, then again 2 column gap. Okay. Then here 2, 7, 27. Now here 2 column gap. Okay. Now here once again gap. 3, 6, 36. Here 2 column gap. Okay. Here 4, 2, 42. Gap. 4, 9, 49. Then here 2 column gap. So this homework you have to do in your notebook. Okay, this homework you have to do in your notebook. Whenever I tell you that you have to do in your notebook, that means you have to do in your notebook. And whenever I told that you have to write in your book as well as in your notebook, that means in both books and in both notebooks you have to do. Okay, but today I am telling you that you have to write this work in your notebook. आपको अपनी notebook में करना है, and don't use eraser so much because then your notebook will become dirty. आप जब लिखते हो ना बेटा, आपको इरेजर बहुत कम यूज़ करना है. आप जितना ज़्यादा इरेजर यूज़ करोगे आपकी नोटबुक गंदी होगी, ब्लैक हो जाएगी, फिर आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा आपकी नोटबुक डर्टी. आप कोशिश कीजिए कि आप इरेजर कम यूज़ करें ताकि आपकी नोटबुक सुंदर सुंदर दिखे, ब्यूटीफुल दिखे. ओके, एंड राइट द नंबर्स ऑल्सो इन प्रॉपर मैनर. आप कुछ बच्चे क्या करते हैं, 1 भी ऐसा लिख देते हैं, कुछ 2 लिख लिख रहे हैं तो ऐसा ही लिख देते हैं, 3 भी कुछ और 4 भी ऐसा, 5 भी ऐसा, बट दिस इज नॉट द राइट वे टू राइट द numbers. You have to write the numbers properly in proper manner. Like 1 should be straight, 2 is like this curve, then sleeping line, 3 is like this. Whenever you write 4 also, first you have to make slanting line, then sleeping line, then standing line. So this is the right way to write 4. And whenever you write 5 also, first make sleeping line, standing line, then make curve like this. Okay, don't write 5 like this. This is not 5, this is S. This is S, this is not 5. Now copy this. Okay, and do by yourself. Don't take the help of your mother or your father or your elder sister, brother. This is your work, so do it by yourself. You can start counting and you can write this work. Okay, now copy it. So today what you have learned? You have learned the numbers what comes just after. What comes just after. That means जो बिल्कुल बाद में आता है वो नंबर कौन सा होता है? Just after. What comes just after. Okay? तो ये एक्सरसाइज हमने 1 पेज CW किया है, 1 पेज आपको HW भी करना है. ओके, एंड डू इट प्रॉपरली इन योर नोटबुक ऑल्सो. whenever we call the notebooks for checking here, you have to send your notebooks to us for checking and complete your notebook properly with proper cover also, and put your name slip in that notebook that we can identify the notebook, that which student's notebook is which. Okay, so you have to put the proper name slip also on that, and you have to color your notebook with proper color code. Okay, now once again we will do haphazard numbers. I am going to write any number and you have to give the answers of that particular number, that what comes just after. Okay, I am going to erase this. Okay, now see here what I am going to write. I told you the 0. See here, 0. 0 has no value. 0 has no value. That means 0 की कोई वैल्यू, अकेला 0 रहता है. 0 की कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती है, मतलब खाली, कुछ भी नहीं. अभी है मेरे हाथ बिल्कुल खाली है. I have empty hand, मतलब मेरे हाथ में कुछ भी नहीं है अभी. Okay, when we starts number, we always starts number from 1. That means 1 सबसे पहला नंबर है जो 0 के जस्ट बाद में आता है, क्योंकि 0 मतलब कुछ नहीं है ना. आप मान लो चॉकलेट लेकर आए मार्केट से, पापा के साथ जाके आप एक पैकेट चॉकलेट का लेकर आए हैं, और अभी आपके हाथ में चॉकलेट का पैकेट है. आपने चॉकलेट का पैकेट लाके रख दिया. अब आप एम्प्टी हैंड हो गए, आपके पास अभी कोई भी चॉकलेट नहीं है. अब आपने अपनी मम्मा या पापा किसी को बोला कि मम्मा आई वांट टू ईट चॉकलेट. आपकी मम्मा ने पहले आपको एक चॉकलेट दिया, आपने एक चॉकलेट खाया. दैट मीन्स सबसे पहले आपके पास में एक चॉकलेट आएगा, फिर अब उसके बाद में जो मम्मा देती जाएगी वो उसके बाद में चॉकलेट बढ़ते जाएंगे. दैट मीन्स 0 मतलब कुछ नहीं है, उसके बाद में 1 सबसे फर्स्ट नंबर होता है. सो व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 0? 1. व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 0? 1. दैट मीन्स हमारे पास में 0 के बाद में 1 नंबर आता है जो जस्ट आफ्टर 1 आता है, एंड 0 हैज नो वैल्यू व्हेन इट इज alone. Okay, after 1 in counting, which number you write? 2. Okay, like this. If I am going to write here 6, so in counting what you will write after 6? 7. So here it will come 7. Now after 9, after 9 what you will write? 1, 0, 10. Okay, 1, 1 0 10 से ईयर। अब मैंने आपको क्या बताया था कि जब 0 अकेला है उसकी कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं है, उसकी कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं है। 0 मतलब खत्म, कुछ भी नहीं है, एम्प्टी है। लेकिन जैसे ही ये 0 1 के साथ में आ गया इसकी वैल्यू बढ़ गई है। अब ये 0 जब 1 के साथ में आया तो इसकी वैल्यू 1 से भी ज़्यादा हो गई है। मतलब अगर आपके 1 हैंड में 1 चॉकलेट है और 1 हैंड में 10 चॉकलेट है तो आपके पास किस हैंड में चॉकलेट ज़्यादा है? 1 चॉकलेट ज़्यादा हो गई या 10 चॉकलेट ज़्यादा हो गई? 10 चॉकलेट ज़्यादा हो गई। इसका मतलब है कि 0 जब अकेला रहता है वो सब, उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, 0 है। लेकिन जब वो 1 के साथ आ जाएगा उसकी वैल्यू बढ़ जाएगी, वो 10 बन जाएगा। 2 के साथ आएगा 20, 3 के साथ आएगा 30, 4 के साथ आएगा 40, 5 के साथ आएगा 50, 6 के साथ आएगा 60, 7 के साथ 70, 8 के साथ 80 एंड 9 के साथ 90। तो ऐसे ही 0 सबसे पहला नंबर होता है जिसकी कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं है, लेकिन उसके जस्ट आफ्टर हम काउंटिंग कहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं? 1 से। लेकिन जब वो किसी नंबर के साथ में लिखते हैं तो उसकी वैल्यू बढ़ जाती है। तो जब बेटा आप लोग आफ्टर नंबर्स लिखेंगे तो आपको ध्यान रखना है कि आपको काउंटिंग कैसे करना है कि 1 के बाद में क्या आ रहा है, 2 के बाद में क्या आ रहा है, 3 के बाद में क्या आएगा। आप ऑब्जेक्ट्स भी अपने पास में रख सकते हैं उसे काउंट करने के लिए। ओके, मम्मा को बोल के चॉकलेट्स या ग्राम्स या कोई भी आप चीज़ें ऑब्जेक्ट्स अपने पास में रख सकते हैं और आप खुद काउंट करते जाइए। आप बाउल में डालिए उसे कि ओके अभी तो मेरे पास में, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अभी मेरे पास में 1 पेन है। अब नंबर 1 मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है ना, व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 1। अभी मैंने क्या करा, मेरे पास 1 है, व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 1, तो मैंने एक और उठा लिया। अब ये कितना बन गया? 2। ओह, नाउ व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 1? 2। Okay, now if I write 2 here and I have gap here, अब तो मेरे पास में ये 2 है ना, ये यहाँ पे 2 लिखा है, मेरे पास में 2 है। चलो मैं एक और लिखती हूँ। मैंने एक और ऑब्जेक्ट अपने हैंड में लिया, अभी कितने बन गए? 3। तो वैसे गेम वे मेथड में भी कर सकते हैं ये वाला व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर वाला जो मैंने वर्क दिया है। ओके, यू कैन डू विद द ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑल्सो एंड यू कैन डू you can write counting also, and in that manner you can know what comes just after. Okay, now bye, have a nice day, stay safe, stay at home and don't use sanitizer more and more. Use soap and water to wash your hands properly. Okay, bye, have a nice day, enjoy your day.